Okay, we have AlignUI, which is a newer design system, pretty comprehensive. It's still in design, in development. They're building it in public. They do have all the new bells and whistles from Figma. Not a dark theme yet, but they're working on it. It's the same for responsive design, but besides some like minor bugs, it's a pretty well done UI kit. You can see the inspirations from Tailwind, but also it's a bit different. So if you're looking for like a similar Tailwind look, we can dig into this one. Quite a lot of attention played to the details. Nothing really much to complain. I found some bugs here and there, but nothing like major that can't be fixed on the components. And they do provide some cool examples. So besides having like a nice look and feel and having all the components here, you also get a bunch of templates, and they're going to keep adding to this from what I see. But yeah, you can see it. It's quite a joy to use it. I will do another update on this one after the dark mode gets out, and hopefully they fix some of the bugs. But yeah, so far, quite impressed. It's on the pricey side. That's also one of the things that you should consider. Probably one of the most expensive UI kits I bought, and I bought quite a lot, especially since it doesn't have the code component. So it's just the Figma design, no React, no nothing. So yeah, to consider, but keep in mind it has no code. It's expensive, no dark mode yet, and some bugs. But yeah, other than that, pretty nice kit that has a lot of potential. Looking forward to more examples and the dark mode, which looked awesome on Twitter. But yeah, highly recommend this one.